Welcome to Cool Outdoors. Today we are in the classroom. Welcome to Cool Outdoors. We are in class this week, and here's what we're going to be studying is how to properly look at fishing structures and what you need to know about them. Please subscribe and like and share this with a fellow fisherman who needs help understanding maps and topographical maps, how to identify ledges and other types of structure within a lake, because this class will help them become more successful, as it's going to help you become a more successful Welcome fisherman. To the Basic Structure Series. Over the next 5 weeks, we're going to be studying ledges, humps, holes, cuts, and break lines. Why do we study structures as fishermen? We study structures to become better fishermen. We have to remember that 90% of fish are in 10% of the water. By understanding structure, we can quickly eliminate that 90% of water that does not hold fish by just simply looking at a topographical map. What is a ledge? A ledge is the beginning of a distinct change in depth. On a topographical map, it kind of looks like the highlighted area. The next class is going to be over ledges. We're going to go over how to identify a ledge, what a prime spot on a ledge may look like, how to fish those prime spots, what your proper boat positioning should be, and other fishing techniques. A hump. A hump is a shallow area surrounded by deeper water. A great example of a hump is on a topographical map to the right and looks like this area here. This is a good hump. In our class on October 18th, we're going to learn how to identify a hump. We're going to learn what our proper boat positioning is to fish the hump. We're going to learn which fishing techniques work best, and we're going to learn exactly what kinds of fish we can find on a hump. Have you ever been walking in water and you're just wading along and you take a step in front of you and fall down in water as deep as your nose? I have. It's not too much fun, is it? This is probably either a drop-off you walked off of, or this could be something called a hole. A hole is a pocket of deep water surrounded by shallow water. A good example on a topographical map is this little hole here. And this is more shallow water. There's a 5-foot hole in the middle. In our class on October 25th, we're going to learn what kind of fish live in these holes, how to fish for those holes, and where to position a boat to efficiently cover a hole. To a hole is something called a cut. A cut, which can be described as an elongated hole, is a great place to fish. On November 1st, we're going to study cuts, and we're going to learn how to properly position our boat and which fishing techniques work best for the species that live within a cut. November 8th, we're going to be studying break lines. A break line is really just an edge of a drop that runs perpendicular to the shoreline. A great example of a break line is right here. This is a great example of a break line. Break lines are great places to fish. We are going to learn proper boating positioning, how to properly fish it, and fishing techniques. I look forward to having you guys in class. Come and we'll learn together. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and like the videos. It helps my channel grow.